Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn and Suites Pacific, Auburn. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms, conveniently located off of Highway 167. The Comfort Inn and Suites Pacific, Auburn in Pacific, WA is 4.5 miles from Wild Waves Enchanted Village. Emerald Downs and Muckleshoot Casino are a short drive away. A fitness center and laundry facilities are also available to guests. Business travelers will appreciate access to the business center and 2 meeting rooms that can accommodate 100 people for banquets and conferences. Additional amenities include a free hot breakfast and free wireless high-speed internet access. This is a non-smoking hotel. All guest rooms offer high-definition cable television, a coffee maker, microwave, hair dryer, alarm clock, iron and ironing board. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.